Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. I'm currently in a 3-bedroom buy-to-let mid-terrace property in one of our investment areas. This property is for one of our clients that are based just below London, actually in Kent. And the great thing about it is they've been completely hands off the process. We're going to be looking at exactly what's been done so far. We completed this property a couple of weeks after lockdown. We're about 1 week into the job so far, where everything's just getting gutted out. As you can see right now, we've got the wallpaper that's been stripped off. What's actually been done in this room at the moment is you can see the fireplace over here. We had one of those old concrete kind of fireplaces, like bricked fireplaces that went from here and it went all the way up to about here. So that's all been ripped out. The old gas fireplace has been taken out as well. So this is all going to be boxed off and then this room's going to be fully plastered. So it'll be nice and smooth walls. The wallpaper's obviously got to come off as well in the rest of the property. But yeah, not much that's going to get done in this room apart from obviously light fittings all going to be coming off. Putting in obviously new light fittings as well, because one, they look dated, and two, obviously not really suited for the modern age. So the key thing in this room is keep it simple. Everything's going to be white walls, grey carpets, just like all our actual buy-to-lets are. Let's jump into the kitchen and see what's actually been happening in there already. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen at the moment. It's just a wreck. We've ripped out absolutely everything. So the kitchen units came right up to here, okay? It was the old, kind of dated wooden kind of kitchen and just needed really uplifting in here. All the walls are going to get plastered in here. The wallpaper's still going to come off just around this sort of area. Boiler, we have factored in to put a new boiler in. We have spoken to the gas guy and he said, listen, you will be able to get new parts for this. But if it was my property, I'd just be replacing it. We factored it into the negotiation of the property, knocked that down off the price, which makes our life a lot easier. And means we can get it in there. Get a new boiler in with a 10-year guarantee. You know it's good to go for 10 years. You can maintain it, make sure it's been looked after, serviced every single year, so you know it's going to last a lot longer than that anyway, rather than say unsurprises down the line. Okay, so obviously new flooring will be in here as well. Let's jump upstairs and see exactly what's going on up there. Okay, so we're in the bathroom at the moment. Hopefully you guys got a good view of this anyway. But we've ripped out absolutely everything. What we do in our bathrooms for the buy-to-lets is we tile the whole room rather than actually plastering on here. And then, potentially the plaster gets damaged over time. Is we just literally tile the whole bathroom. It's nice, it's watertight as well. And that way we can get it done. So everything's been ripped out here. It's ready now just for the bathroom suite to start going in tiling to be able to get done. So we're getting some nice progress, okay? So keep up with other Refurb Wednesdays where we're going to have a look at the progress and we track all and document everything that we're doing on here as well. Let's jump to the bedrooms. Okay, so we're in bedroom, the master bedroom at the moment. So bedroom number 1, at the front of the house to the left of the property. So a couple of things that needs to be done here. One is full decoration. Obviously the wallpaper is nice and fine, so we'll be able to obviously just paint over it rather than replacing the wallpaper in here. But this needs moving. For whatever reason, somebody thought it would be a good idea to put the light by the window rather than putting this into the room. So that's going to get moved over here. So we'll change the ceiling rows and we'll move it over here. Just look better. Distribution of lights better as well. And then, who wants a light over here? So it'll be fresh paint in here, carpets. It'll look nice and clean and fresh for a nice working family in here. Let's jump into the other 2 bedrooms. Okay, so we're in the bedroom number 2 at the moment. Again, very similar. We have the ceiling rows that's going to need to move into the center of the actual bedroom. So the light, and then also we need to obviously redecorate in here. This wallpaper, however, it needs to go. It's horrible. So we just got to strip all of that out. And then we've got to paint in here as well. New carpets, full decoration. A decorator in our area is absolutely fantastic. They really do a fantastic job and really make the property just pop out. So we do white walls, we do grey carpets, keep it nice and simple and clean at every property. Let's jump into bedroom number 3, which is a bit of box room. However, it's exactly the same in all the houses around here where you have a third bedroom, which is kind of a box room, but a lot of people are used to it. Let's jump in there now. So we're in bedroom number 3 now. This is more for like a kid's bedroom that this will be. And so we're gonna have to move the ceiling rose again to the center of the bedroom. Somebody had an obsession about putting lights by the windows, which is the strangest thing ever, but it is what it is. So the great thing about it is the property doesn't need a rewire. The electrics are totally fine, just needs a gas certificate to sign off. So that will get done, obviously, once the electric work is done as well. Painting here, recarpet. Blinds are absolutely fine as well. So we've got to replace the blinds downstairs. They just look a bit old, a bit horrible already. So we'll change those as well. More for a security point of view. We do that in all our buy-to-lets. We put in new blinds in the properties. Just that way we know that nobody can see in. So while it's getting rented out, or if there's any voids, you know for a fact that nobody's going to be looking in. They just assume that somebody's in the property. So if you haven't considered that in your properties, we do just put blinds in. We don't like go extravagant and put fancy stuff in. We just put basic, simple blinds in just for security more than anything else. Okay. So let's jump into the hallway. Okay, so we're in the hallway of the property. We just need to get rid of this. That's fallen out nicely. And we also need to redecorate and paint in here as well. So it's gonna be a lot of decoration starting to happen. What we get is we get a decorator in obviously the bedroom, starting to get those sorted. By the time the bathroom's done and the kitchen's done, the decorator will be able to actually go out there and actually get those finished off and then do all the last minute glossing and stuff. So if you guys actually want to get involved with UK property, but you just simply don't have the time or the actual knowledge or the experience, but you definitely got the capital to get started, then reach out to myself on either Instagram, LinkedIn or Facebook at Property with Nic Clark, and we can arrange a call to book in with one of our team to help you profit from UK property. Otherwise, head to our website at jenicproperty.com. And what you'll be able to do there is you can book in a call at a time that suits you best with one of our team, and we'll walk you through just pretty much a strategy session to find out how we can help you move forward and what we can actually do to work with you so you can be hands-off anywhere in the world and profit from UK property with minimal time effort. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell as well for future projects that we are doing. We upload on YouTube for Refurb Wednesdays every Wednesday at 6 p.m. Thanks very much for watching. Head to jenicproperty.com and book in a call now.